Hello.
Hello,
What
teacher.
is your name?
My name is Liam.
Liam, how are you today?
I'm happy.
How old are you?
I'm sick.
Okay, let's proceed now for the speaking test. All right. Look at this picture. They are at the beach. All right. This boy is fishing. Now, the first question for you is that what is the boy doing? He's
He's swim.
swimming. All right. Now, let's proceed for this one, Liam. Can you run, Liam? Can you run?
I can. Yes, I can.
All right. So let's proceed for this one. How many fish are there? How many fish?
2 fish.
2 fish. Okay. Are there 5 boys in the picture? Yes or no?
No.
No. All right. Let's proceed for this one. All right. What animal is this?
Is an elephant.
It's an elephant. All right. Let's proceed for this one. What word starts with letter F?
Is an food.
Food. Okay. Let's proceed for this one. What can the kangaroo do, Liam? So the kangaroo can?
I can
It can? It can?
jump.
Jump. All right. So what are they?
I can
They are?
insect.
They are insects. And how many insects are there? How many? Is it 1, 2, or 3? You say? 3. Very good. Now, do you have a sister?
No, I don't.
Okay, so Peter is at the shop and there are many fruits. Now, can you show me where is the banana? Banana. Perfect. Now, how many apples do you see? How many apples? How many apples you say? I see.
I see 2 apples.
You see 2 apples. Very good. Now, what is the boy doing? He is eating or drinking?
Tea.
Eating. You say eating.
Tea.
Are there 4 cakes in the picture? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, so now how does the girl feel? Is she happy or is she sad?
Happy.
She's happy. Alright, so what food do you like, my dear? What food do you like? Teacher Suba like apple. How about you?
I like hamburger.
You like hamburger. Wow, that's why you are pointing it. Now, let's proceed for this one. How many orange do you see? How many orange do you see? How many orange? 1 or 2?
1.
Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye and thank you, Leah.